Everyone deserves great art. This is why we created Canvia, a smart digital display designed to make choosing, showing, and enjoying art as simple as opening an app. Sometimes the galleries and art world can seem stuffy and intimidating. The cost of buying art or even just framing prints can be very high, and even if you do find art that you like and is of good value, it might not match with your room's decor, and over time your tastes might change, which would leave it feeling out of place. Solving these problems was a key inspiration for Canvia, which uses cutting-edge hardware and proprietary image processing technology to present any digital image of artwork as a painting or high-quality print, and conserve original artwork details such as color, texture, contrast, and even individual brushstrokes. To make the display look as realistic as possible, whatever the environment, we realized we needed Canvia to capture ambient light reflections just like physical art. We therefore developed Art Sense technology, which actively responds to surrounding visual conditions and dynamically adjusts the display accordingly. With Canvia, seeing is believing. Via an intuitive app, users can select art from a massive online library organized into curated playlists of artists, eras, media, and even for specific moods and occasions. Our recommendation engine also suggests works based on a user's selections and current decor. Along with the classics of art history, we're also working with contemporary artists through our partnership program to foster a community of creators. It's important to us that artists are compensated for their time and talent, and so exhibiting partners will receive a share of our revenues. Users can also create personal playlists or upload their own images via an online portal, USB, microSD, or the app. Additional options to display information about works and even zoom into images to highlight key artistic details enables users to become their own curators. We now have near 100% pre-production prototypes and need your support to begin production. With Canvia, enjoying great art in your home, office, and other living spaces has never been simpler.
Hi, my name is Justyna. I'm a happy mother of 3, 2 wonderful girls and New Create, a small business based in Monroe, Wisconsin that specializes in wall decorations and other vinyl awesomeness. I try to spend as much time as I can with all my children. Every moment I spend with my girls, I try to teach them something new while making it playful and fun. A few months ago, I started to teach my 4-year-old daughter how to read a clock, but all clocks we have at home seemed useless. She had no problem reading hours, but minutes shown as dots or dashes were more complicated. Then I thought it will be much easier if minutes will be shown as numbers too. I checked the internet and I didn't find the proper clock. So I made my own, modern clock. It's created with a view for kids, but easily fits the decor of any home, office, daycare, school, business, or anywhere your imagination allows. Just pick the version that works best for you. Modern clock and all its components are made in USA. If you like my idea of clock, please support my project. Thank you.